Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning. If you had just come in on my timeline for the first time, my name has not changed, Leah Tokunbo Olagbaye. The reason I want to quickly meet up with people on my timeline on this YouTube today is basically to let you aware of the situation of things at the moment. Um, if you look at the topic I put out there, there's a huge problem in the Home Office with regards to biometrics, fingerprints, if I may say that way. A lot of people are really struggling to get an invitation for biometric, and they are thinking that maybe if you have paid for your application, you don't need to worry yourself because, of course, it will have been submitted, so you should know. The thing I want to tell you today is that the Home Office is not too sure of what they are doing in terms of the apps. They have introduced several apps just to get the biometric done. The biometrics are still not improving at the moment. Everything is a little bit in a mess. As such, you will likely to be one of those that will end up in the backlogs, while some will be likely to be those who will be fortunate to get the result out quickly. Because your friend get the result out quickly doesn't mean you are going to get yours out, depending on where your case is and depending on who is handling your matter. As it is at the moment now, I have people that have submitted for 9 months, 8 months, and I have people that they have granted within 4 weeks, within 6 weeks, within 8 weeks. The criteria they use to assess is unknown. And those who are still waiting 7 months, 8 months, they are also qualified. They are also entitled to the extension of leave to remain. But as it is, the Home Office is struggling. If you remember, there was a time that they introduced the IDV hub. The IDV hub has gone into mess. So they are struggling to get documents out of that app. They don't have to tell us what is going on. An intelligent lawyer should pick it up that there is a problem now with the uses of the apps in the Home Office. They also introduced an email invitation called SSCH, whereby you have to email documents to them, you have to do your facial image, selfie photo. They are struggling on those ones as well. They also introduced a system whereby they have to make a phone call to the lawyer and say that they want to invite a particular client to come to Croydon for biometric appointment. That's the third one. They are now on the UKVI, fourth one, apart from the UKVAX. They also introduced UKVAX. UKVAX is the one that you have to go inside, type your 12121212, different from the apps, and then put in the information and then upload documents. Is different from the mobile apps. That one, they are also struggling, where they have the company you have to call 0844, book appointments. They charge you 199, 135 pounds, 169, 69.99. Sometimes you can get it for free. They are also struggling on that one. The fifth one is the UKVI, tiny one that they are struggling on now. They also introduced that one lately, sometimes last month. It comes out with a purple color. Come out with a purple color by email, and it's got portal link. It's got a portal link. The Home Office is also struggling on that one. Now, the Home Office forgot that they are holding people down. A lot of people have a lot of things to do. You're not doing anybody a favor, Home Office. You have collected money. You are not doing a migrant favor. Because to you, you might be thinking, oh, we're doing them a favor to stay in our country. You're not doing them a favor to stay in your country. They also own the land. The land belongs to everyone who can maintain it and take care of it properly. UK, it is not a man's problem, a man's country, not one man's country. So if any of the UK border staff, Home Office staff, are thinking that they are doing the migrants a favor by giving them status to stay in their country, you're not giving anybody a favor. you're actually asking them to come and help you to build the United Kingdom together. So you're not giving favor. You're asking people to come in and build UK for the economic purpose. So when we look at situation of this type, I can vividly say to you that Home Office is in a mess, and I stand to be corrected. They are testing all the apps, and they don't know which one to rely on. They are struggling. Apart from them collecting the £19 inside the application, they are collecting several monies now. When you do a visit visa in Nigeria, for example, a visitor's visa in Nigeria is only $132. But I lately realized that my clients are paying more than that. They are paying hugely, because until they pay those money, they're not allowing them to go through to the appointment stage. The TLS is charging, the UK VAX is charging, the Home Office is charging. So the clients end up paying 3 monies again for overseas visa to come into the United Kingdom on ordinary 6 months visa. It's not worth all this headache. The Home Office needs to get their system right. The Home Office needs to get their priority right. The Home Office is not in charge of health issue. The minister, the secretary of state for the health, is there to take care of the pandemic, for take care of the COVID issue. So the Home Office secretary of state, Lady Patel, Priti Patel, needs to sit down and study the system very well. It appears to me that the secretary of state is jumping from one end to the other. The secretary of state is not really sure of what she's doing. If madam need assistance from private practice, madam could seek for opinion from private practice instead of relying on public staff who has little or no knowledge of what migrants needed, of what people expected from them. On this note, as I'm saying, and I'm going to say it and say it again, the Home Office apps are in a mess. The Home Office system is in a mess. So migrants, you are likely to fall into backlogs. Apart from the 6 months wait, some of you are more likely to go more than 6 months in waiting. So as long as you have right to work at the time of your application, I will advise that you should continue with that right. As we speak, the system is not working at all. It's in a mess. The system is not working. It's in a mess. So you don't have to bite yourself. You don't have to fight yourself. It is not your fault. I'm not speaking for your lawyer. If your lawyer gets it wrong, go and knock on his door and ask questions. Make a phone call to him. Let him tell you what is going on. I communicate with my clients on WhatsApp all the time. I'm on WhatsApp 24 hours, unless when I sleep. I communicate with my client. I update my client from time to time. So as such, your lawyer needs to update you as well. I'm not going to take your time. I have to go back. I need to start my work. Lawyer Tokunbo Olagbaye is my name. I'm on 0208 309 8808. 0208 309 8808 for all your immigration matters in the United Kingdom, or for your visas to come to UK to study or to join your family members. I specialize on family immigration. So when you are looking at family lawyer on immigration matter, bringing your child into the country, bringing your husband into the country, bringing your mom into the country, your sister to come and join you, I am a specialist on the family migration. So as such, you can contact me if you have issue that you want me to give advice on. You need to come on consultation, and the telephone number for consultation 0208 309 8808. You can also make use of the WhatsApp to book your appointment 07908 628240. 07908 628240. My name has not changed. Lawyer Tokunbo Olagbaye. Until next time, take care for now. Bye. Thanks. Thanks. If you haven't got right at the time you submitted your application, you have to wait until the decision is made. If you haven't got right at the time the application was submitted, you need to wait until the decision is made. There's nothing you can do. You just have to finger crossed and wait. My system always play me around. So that is it for now, ladies and gentlemen. Take care until next time. Bye.